In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Binance affiliate through the Binance affiliate program. Whether you're new to Binance or a long-time user exploring new ways to earn, this guide will walk you through each step in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Binance account. This is the starting point of everything we'll be doing today, so make sure you've got your login details handy. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head to your dashboard. There are two ways to get where we want to go next. You can either navigate to the More section, symbolized by three little dots, or directly visit the affiliate page. This page is your gateway to joining one of the most lucrative affiliate programs in the crypto world. To officially become a Binance affiliate, you'll need to join the program, which involves agreeing to the terms and conditions laid out by Binance. It's always a good practice to read through these terms carefully, ensuring you understand the partnership and what is expected. Once you agree, you're officially part of the affiliate program. Next, you'll receive a unique referral link or a banner creatively designed for your convenience. This is the key tool it'll use in growing your affiliate network. The link or banner is specially generated for you, allowing Binance to track your referrals and reward you accordingly. It's essential to ensure you're sharing your unique link, as this is how the system will recognize you to provide commissions. With your link ready, the next step is about sharing it strategically. You can choose to share your referral link on various platforms that work best for you, like social media channels, blogs, or directly with friends and family. The more you share the link, the more potential signups you could generate, leading directly to a higher earning potential. Now, as people start signing up through your link and engage in trading, you begin to earn commission. This applies to spot trading, futures trading, and other transaction fees. The more active those you refer are, the more commissions you earn in return. Monitoring your progress is seamless through the affiliate dashboard, which allows you to track referrals and rewards closely. It's a hub where you'll see real-time results of your promotional efforts and the respective earnings. Finally, when you're ready to enjoy the fruits of your hard work, you can withdraw your affiliate commissions. Note that withdrawals are possible once you reach the minimum payout threshold set by Binance, but once you're there, it's a simple process to transfer those earnings to your account. And that's it, you've successfully navigated the steps to become a Binance affiliate. With continuous effort, sharing your link, and engaging potential users, you can cultivate a robust affiliate network, turning your connections into substantial earnings. Good luck, and may your affiliate journey be prosperous.